Meaning of Hindu.
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 Hindu. Hindu refers to a person who practices Hinduism, which is the oldest religion in the world. It originated in India and has approximately 1 billion followers worldwide. Hinduism is a complex belief system with various traditions, deities, and rituals. Hinduism emphasizes the interconnectedness of all living beings and the concept of karma. It also promotes the pursuit of spiritual and moral growth through meditation, yoga, and other practices. Hindus believe in reincarnation and the ultimate goal of achieving moksha or liberation from the cycle of birth and death.